Hello everyone, welcome back to Karen's English Hub. So we're continuing with the summaries of 7th class English, and right now we are in Unit 4, Reading B, that is Dear Mom. Okay, yeah, we shall quickly get into the poem here. Yeah, so looking at the picture, you can see that there is a conversation between mother and a son, and you can see that the kitchen is completely mess. Okay, the water is overflowing over the wash basin. There are stains on the wall. Okay, some footsteps are there. Something is broken here. Pot is broken. Okay, something is wrong there. Okay, let us see what is that. What the son is saying to his mom. Yeah. So, dear mom, while you were out, a cup went and broke itself. What happened? A cup went and broke itself. Okay, a cup moved by itself. Next, a crack appeared in the blue vase your great great granddad brought back from China. Okay, so there is a blue vase here. So that was brought by his mother's great great granddad. Okay, and there was a crack on that blue vase. Next, somehow, without me even turning on the tap, the sink mysteriously overflowed. Okay, though this boy didn't even turn on the tap you know, started to open and started to overflow. A strange jam strain about the size of the voice and appeared on the kitchen wall. And he is also saying that there is a strange stain of hands of the boys and on the kitchen wall. I don't think we will ever discover exactly how the cat managed to turn on the washing machine. And the cat also turned on the washing machine, and he was saying, Mom, I don't know how can we discover that a cat could switch on the washing machine. Okay, next, especially from inside. So the cat was inside and the machine was on. So he's complaining his mom, saying that, Mom, we should find out, or we are unable to find out how could a cat turn on the washing machine, that too where from inside. Yeah, or how the self raising floor managed to self raise. Okay, and how the floor is managed to self raise, the floor is self raising there. I can tell you I was scared as if by magic. A series of muddy footprints appeared on the new white carpet. There was a new white carpet, Mom, and on this particular carpet I couldn't find out, and I was very much afraid that there was somebody walked on the footprints, and those footprints are very much muddy, and those are very scary. Okay, so I was being good. Okay, very honest boy, but I think the house is haunted in the sense, I think there are some devils in the house. I'm very good boy, no, I didn't do anything. Okay, I didn't do anything. I didn't turn on the tap, I didn't turn on the washing machine, I didn't break the blue vase, I didn't break the cup, I didn't walk in the home on a white carpet with the muddy legs. Okay, I didn't do anything, but I think there is a devil in our house. So, knowing you are going to have a fit, I have gone over to Grants for a bit. Okay, so knowing you are going to have a fit, I have gone over to Grants for a bit. Grants in the sense here. So he's also finally giving, Mom, you don't think that I have done all these things. I'm very honest and good boy, and since you were going out, I was also not at home. I also went to our my grandmother's house across the road or across the street. So I was not in home, and I didn't know how all these things happen. But who could do all these things? Only kids. Yes or no? Yeah, fine. So you can simply understand this particular guy has done all these things and naming it as a mysterious naming these incidents as mysterious, and also giving some haunted, some devilish acts to these mysterious things, and also saying that he was not at all at home to do all these things, and he also went to his grandmother's house. Okay, grands in the sense grandmother's house. Okay, for a bit, in the sense for a little time. So this particular poem is written by Brain Pattern. So read it very much carefully so that you will understand a comic element in this, where a child, simply says uh, that he is not the culprit to do all these things, but there is a devil. Okay, the house is haunted. There is a devil. Actually, that little devil is this guy. Okay, that is the comedy. The little devil is actually this little guy who is complaining to his mom, who has done all these things. Okay, so because you can see his hands, the size of the boy's hands, strains are there, and size of the boy's legs, stains are there on the white carpet. He has done all this mess. He has even put a cat inside the washing machine and switched on the washing machine. See, this is the behavior of this small little kid. Okay, actually he is haunting this house. Okay, fine. So I hope you would like this little poem, and till now we are completing with unit 4. So in the next video we shall go through unit 5, that is reading a trip to Andaman. So before leaving the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will get all the notifications when I upload the next video, and hit on the like button if you like the video, and share it to your friends. Until then, until the next video, see you all. Take care. God bless you.